I am arriving at Mercy Light Orphanage now. My heart feels heavy. They are dying of hunger. I must do something for them now.
I see my brothers and sisters. They are suffering, they haven't eaten. It feels so painful to see this hunger. The government isn't helping. I am walking to the local market now. I cannot leave them like this. We must provide what the authorities have forgotten. Love is an action. I am choosing the best ingredients for our traditional chicken adobo. It feels so peaceful to prepare a blessing for those who are hungry. I am carrying these gifts back. They are heavy, but my heart is light. We have reached my home. Welcome into my home. This is where we prepare the feast of love. Every ingredient we bought has a purpose, just like every soul. I am arranging everything now. Preparation is the first step of service. It feels so peaceful to work with my hands for the sake of others. Act 1 is now complete. We have seen the need and prepared the answer. This was the beginning of our journey today. I am stirring the chicken adobo now, the soy sauce and vinegar filling this small kitchen with hope. I am carefully packing these parcels now. Every scoop is a prayer for strength for the children. This is delicious, I can tell. The rider has arrived with the red Vigo van. We are loading everything up now, clothes and food. Stay with me, friends. I am sitting in the front seat now. The driver is moving through the local streets of the city. It feels so peaceful knowing these white parcels in the back will soon... There it is, the gate of Mercy Light. My heart beats faster seeing that name board again. I have stepped out. The air here feels heavy, but we are here to change that today. The children are worse. We have finally arrived at the gates of Mercy Light. My heart is racing because I know how much this means to them. The smell of the chicken adobo. Walking inside now, I see the faces. More than 200 people are waiting, hoping for a miracle today. I am handing them...
It's busy, it's loud, but it's beautiful. We are giving out clothes now. Simple shirts, but they mean dignity.
Look at them. Some are on the benches, some are sitting right here in the grass. It doesn't matter where. They haven't had a hot meal like this in so long.
These little ones, they are so resilient. Even with nothing, they have these beautiful smiles.
We've done it. They are thanking me, but really, I am the one who is blessed. To serve is to truly live. I told them that I am walking away from Mercy Light now, but my heart is still back there with those hungry children. It burns my soul to see them forgotten. Here we are, the local station. I feel a mix of anger and hope as I step toward these doors. I can feel the tension, but I must speak loudly for those who cannot.
That orphanage has no food.
I am watching him write every word, every hungry child's name, every tear I saw at Mercy Light.
The report is filed. He promised me he would send it to the higher authorities immediately. I am back out on the street now. The air feels different when you've stood up for the truth. I told them everything. Now the government has no... I am standing here looking back at that building.
Yeah.
It's a strange feeling.
Yeah.
I can still hear the voices of the people at Mercy Light. They are waiting for a change.
I am starting my walk back now. My feet are bare on this ground, feeling the heat of the earth. It reminds me...
I am watching the sun start its descent. It's been a long day, a hard day, but a good one. I am tired, but...
I am taking one last look at the station. I've done my part there, now the officials must do theirs. I am moving forward now. My heart is still heavy, but my steps are firm because the truth is out.
Today, what I saw in this country, it truly broke my heart. In Mercy Light Orphanage, I saw...
They have no proper clothes. Children and elders are suffering so badly right now. The government is not helping them at all. I filed the report at the station, but we cannot wait for papers and signatures. With God's help, we will keep serving them. The report is signed, but my heart is still heavy with the images of those children. We cannot just wait for the government to wake up. Love doesn't... Every step I take, I feel the weight of this country's struggle. It's a heavy cross. We have reached Holy Rosary Church. It is time to seek God's presence.
Wait. We are entering the sanctuary now. Please remember to be respectful. There is a funeral happening. The priest is speaking of loss, but I feel a calling to speak of hope. I am going to step forward. We must remind. The air is filled with the scent of incense and flowers. It's a moment of deep transition for this family. I am going forward now. God's word cannot wait when hearts are this broken. I feel a peace.
I am standing before them now. I can feel their grief. But I also feel the light of the... God turns mourning into joy, comfort for the brokenhearted. Trust in the Lord, for He cares for the orphans, the suffering. They are clapping. Even the priest is bowing his head. It's not about me, it's about the peace they found today. My heart... I am stepping back out now. The funeral is still going on, but the atmosphere has completely shifted.
The sun is still out, but the day is moving fast. My heart feels lighter after sharing that blessing. It's time to go. God is with all of us, no matter where this road leads next. I'm leaving the church now. It's quiet out here, but my heart is still racing from the day.
Oh no! Did you hear that? There's been an accident right in front of me! It's okay, help is here. Just breathe. You're someone's son, we've got you.
They are on their way to the hospital now. It's a reminder, life is so precious. I am walking home in the dark. It's been a long day, but my heart is full.
I gave all my love today, and I only want yours in return. God bless you. This act is now over. Are you ready for the final act? This journey today, it has shown me the raw, hidden pain of our country. I saw the hunger at Mercy Light Orphanage, and it is a hunger that shouldn't exist. If this touched your heart today, please subscribe. Join this mission with me. I wonder, what is the most important thing you've learned on your journey today? We can't just watch. Love and service are the only things that can change these lives. I filed a report at the Metro Police Station. Comment below. Which orphanage or which country should we visit next to serve? I love you all. God bless you. Act 8 is now complete. The journey continues.